I don't mind.
That lady gets funny with me. Like, you know that guy?
Not bad for $10.
Oh, that's great.
This machine when I get the ground, this was $10.
Oh, I see that. You're lucky. You sat down.
Ah, no more.
Buffalo.
Come on.
Good,
Come on,
good.
come on, come on.
Good.
Do it again, do it again, do it again.
That was beautiful. That's one of those rare hits with Buffalo. Point, point.
Oh, there's more. There's more. I haven't seen my pic.
different machine.
I haven't seen my picture yet. And when was this? That was from the other side. This one here.
Yeah.
When was this? March. I have 8 jackpots in this one. I don't know if the viewers like it, but I can see they just want the unpay by this time.
That Buffalo gave it to you. That line of Buffalo with that too. That was great.
I love this buffalo.
That was great. You're so lucky. It pays, it pays.
Come on, I want more
Six
coins.
more big ones.
Coins. Oh, you're seeing me dancing, huh?
Point.
Come on, more coins.
Yeah, if she tells you anything, you tell her you want it, yeah?
Come on, buffalo. Coins. Ah, I saw it pass. A. Times 3.
One more, you're there. It's all that matters. You did beautiful. You did so well. I was on TikTok. I got it on TikTok.
I'm gonna put it TikTok.
It's on mine. Not all of them, but he told me I did it. After it is.
That's it.
No,
Oh!
it's not it.
Got it. I said that's it.
No, it's not.
That was a good one. I thought they're not gonna give me anything.